Hare Krishna. Today's recipe for the summer season is golden buttermilk. As yesterday I saw lots of inquiries were there to see they wanted to learn how to prepare the buttermilk, and I'm going to show you today how to prepare the medicinal buttermilk, that is golden buttermilk. Ingredients for the golden buttermilk is buttermilk 200 ml, coconut oil or cow ghee 1 teaspoon, ginger grated 1 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, black pepper half spoon, curry leaves paste half spoon, rock salt half spoon, coriander and mint leaves for the garnishing. So I have taken curd, homemade curd. So I'll show you how to prepare the buttermilk from the curd. For that we will require 2 tablespoons of the curd. It should be homemade. I have set it for the overnight and I have prepared it. So now we'll be adding 200 ml in the 2 tablespoons of the curd. And then we have this traditional wooden churner with which we are going to churn it, and see how to churn it nicely. So you have to churn it till the froth or the cream which is there in the curd which comes on the top. So slowly you will see the froth is coming. Some froth is coming on the top. So whenever the froth is coming, you have to remove that froth. So first we will churn it nicely. Churn for 5 to 10 minutes. If you churn more, then it gives a better result. Now after adding the water to our yogurt, that is curd, we have churned it nicely and see the froth is coming. We will remove the froth. That is actually cream. That is the fat inside the curd. So we will remove all the fat, excess fat. If you want your buttermilk to be more watery, you can add little more water also. But for me, I think this is enough. Okay, so this is our buttermilk. So our buttermilk is ready. So this is a natural buttermilk and we want to make it into golden buttermilk, that is medicinal buttermilk. Now we are going to add a spoon of cow ghee in a saucepan. You can use cow ghee or you can use coconut oil also in it. In that we are going to add grated ginger powder, then half spoon of the turmeric and half spoon of the black pepper powder. Saute it for a minute. So now we are going to add our tadka which we have prepared in the buttermilk, and then we are going to add rock salt. Whisk it nicely. Now we are going to boil this buttermilk little bit, just not boil completely, just make it little warm. Once it starts little bubbling, we are going to remove the fire. So our buttermilk is ready. So we are going to serve it in a glass. Here you can add curry leaves paste also. As I don't have fresh curry leaves, so I was not able to prepare the paste of the curry leaves, but paste of the curry leaves is also very important ingredient of the buttermilk. So it is very good for the digestion. It's the cooling, it gives cooling effect for the digestive system. It's very good for the people who have diarrhea, piles problem, digestive problems, acidity. And you have to garnish it with the coriander leaves. And our buttermilk is ready. Our buttermilk is ready, and take it warm along with the lunch.